How to fix none option not showing in Apple ID. If you are not seeing the none option when setting up or editing the payment method for your Apple ID on iOS 16, it is usually due to specific account conditions. And here is how to fix it. First of all you have to do is look for the App Store on your home screen and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the App Store, all you have to do is tap on the profile picture or initial of yours at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Then you'll be asked to authenticate your Face ID or Touch ID. Then from the options, tap on the country/region option available there. Once you tap on it, wait for a few seconds and you'll be navigated to the long list of countries available. Now scroll down and tap on the country you live in. So once you tap on it, you will be taken to the another page. There, tap on the continue option available. Then you'll be asked to agree terms and conditions. Tap on the done option available at the top right corner. Now here you can see none option available in the payment method. Now all you have to do is tap on the none and fill out your billing addresses and phone number. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.